What is BlueSky? BlueSky is similar to Twitter and it looks like this, and it's hosted on the domain bsky.app. If you look at X, the UI and everything feels similar to BlueSky. And if you don't know what BlueSky is, it's like a decentralized social media platform that's alternative to Twitter, and it's launched by Jack Dorsey, and the same guy who created Twitter. He's also behind this platform. Why people are going to this new platform is mainly because of political reason. It all started. Taylor Swift posted on her Twitter that she's voting for Kamala Harris. Then Trump was not happy. Trump posted this on Truth Social, like I hate Taylor Swift. Then Elon Musk uh, added fuel to fire. He posted this on X, and that led to people flocking to this new social media. As you can see, the trend is going up and is around 2 million users as of now. This is on November 14th, but it's getting a lot of traffic continuously. And some other reasons are the Brazil also banned X, and he paid 5 million fine, and now it's back online in Brazil. As a lot of reasons, the political reasons, and Elon Musk pushing a lot of his own post, and people whether they follow him or not, they are seeing his feed. If for example I do not follow Elon Musk on X, and I go to my notification, I can see this. I am not following him. People are losing actually control over the social media. This is like new alternative that you can use if you are looking to grow your business online, because if it's a new social media, then the algorithm will be receptive of what you are posting. You may not be getting interaction in X, but if you start posting it here, you might get good interactions here. Thereby you can also grow your brand, and that will help you get more business. I've been hearing this all over the news. I thought, why not test it out? Let's go to the domain and click on this sign up button. If you click here, you can also host your own domain name here. If you don't want the BlueSky domain name, so I'll enter my email address. In order to sign up, your email address, give a strong password. Then you need to give your date of birth, and then click on next, and it will take you to this screen where you can choose your user handle, and this name will be shown as with the subdomain. If you don't want that BlueSky subdomain, you can create the custom server that we discussed before. After that, you need to make sure that you enter this captcha correctly. An image of a penguin is shown, and you need to select and click on next. Once the verification is complete, you need to select a profile image. I am selecting my brand image, and in order to populate the feed, you need to give the what you. As you can see, public, your post blocks are public. If you mute something, it's private. Since it's open source, you will have always access to your data, and we can also choose our own algorithm so that we can decide what we want to see in our feed. That's the main reason why a lot of people are moving to this social media, because they have control over what they can see. It looks similar to Twitter. There is no learning curve for you to get familiar with this new platform. I need to 10 post and follow 7 accounts to teach the algorithm what I would to see. That's how you train it. You can train it like that. If you want, you can click by not following this, but let me follow this. Okay, whom should I follow? Let's open AI. I will follow Verge. OpenAI is not here. Let's look at the settings. These are some of the moderation options. You can stop seeing these words if you add it as a filter. Any post that contains these words will not be shown. You can mute accounts, can create moderation. Now let's see how we can automate posting to this social media. For that I'll be using this service, Vista Social. Now we can integrate it. This is the brand that I have created. Now we have the option to add BlueSky as as you can see, you can post on Threads, LinkedIn, Reddit, Instagram business, Google business profile, Pinterest, X. You have all the options, and you have BlueSky as. Click on this and add the handle that we created. What was my handle? This is my handle. Social and so I'll need to copy this and paste it here. And if I connect it, I have added my Blue Social account here. Let me create a test post and see if it's getting posted. And let me click on next and publish. And let me see if this is coming here. Let's refresh. And as you can see, it's working. Now I can automatically post using this. That's how you post automatically to BlueSky. I hope this helps you start using this for your business. It's always good to add as many platforms as you can in order to increase your reach. And I hope this was helpful to see how to automate the posting into this new social media app. Do try this out, because since it's new, the algorithm will always favor all the posts, and you will also see good interactions with this. And that's how it usually goes. And again, don't forget to click the button if you want to test this software out. I will have the link in the description where you will have get an extra 10% discount, and do check that. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.